Hey everyone, this is Allie and Scott here at Nissan North. Scott, what are we here to do today?
We are going to enter the exciting world of hooking up one's Bluetooth to the brand new Nissan Rogue, because everybody knows this Bluetooth is not going to hook itself up.
That is so right. You know what? Let's get started. So first thing you're going to do, whether you have an iPhone or an Android, you're going to go to the settings on your phone. You'll click that, and then you'll go and scroll down to the Bluetooth and make sure your Bluetooth is on.
Our next step is going to be to press this button right here. This is your voice activation button. So I'm going to press it one time, and she is going to
Please say a category like phone or a command like points of interest, followed by a brand name.
Phone.
Phone. There is no phone connected. Would you like to connect a phone now?
Yes.
Yes. Transferring to the Add Phone Settings menu.
So as this is happening, your phone is going to be searching for the network that says My Rogue. And why wouldn't it? So if we go to your phone, Allie, and click on Bluetooth, you can see that it's searching for devices. Oh, and lo and behold, there is My Rogue. So we guarantee that this is the proper phone, and we will hit pair. And the rest is all automatic. It's going to ask you for a couple of cues and for permissions, so that all of your full Bluetooth functions are available in the new Rogue. You will be able to receive text messages, you will be able to receive and place calls, and your text messages, this is the best part, will be read to you, so you're not distracted on the highway.